Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and we are here to unbox this two-way radio made by Retevis. The model is H777, and let's start by opening the box. So bought this from Amazon for how much? 59 Canadian dollars. And let's see, this is 59 Canadian dollars, 3 units. You have their own separate recharging dock or charging dock. Here, yeah, let's see. So each radio have their own box. 1, 2, 3, and let's see what's inside. They are all the same, so we'll just open one box. So, ta-da! What's inside? Charging dock, the clip for the radio, lightweight, around 149 grams, and the battery in here. It's too light. And oh, we have to screw it here. Alright, let's try to turn it on, and it have this, what's this, a flashlight? Yeah.
Power on. 4, 2.
This radio have 16 channel, and oops. Okay, this is the button for the flashlight, and this is like an SOS flashing light if you're in a sketchy situation in the forest. And okay,
3.
this is the press to talk. Yeah, I'll try to put this on here. And this is the charging dock. Oops, this is the charging dock. Okay. Okay, it also have this instruction manual, and it's in English, and also, yeah, all of it, they are all in English. Alright, let's connect this belt clip, or the pocket clip. Move this one with the Phillips screw, driver, and then line it up and press it. It's really tricky to put this belt because of the spring. Yep. Okay. Then the next one. Okay, that's how you install or connect this belt clip. So you also have this hole for lanyard if you want to put this or use this or hang this on your neck or necklace or something. And this is the mic. Alright, let's open the other one to see it works. Okay, insert. Put it up first. Press this down to remove the battery. Then push it. Okay, and then put it back, slide it again, and then push it all the way. See, it's flashed, so that's good. Turn it on.
Power on. 4.
Channel 4. So if you're going to use it, make sure that both of them are in the same channel.
4.
So press it up.
Mic test. 4 miles. 2 kilometers. Turn left. Turn right.
Good. Hello? Check. Mic check. Mayday. Happy Mayday to you.
Copy.
That's how easy, compact, and rugged this radio walkie-talkie Retevis. Alright, let's try this charging dock. See? And it will show a green light. And once you put this here, like slide it in, align it properly. So it will show red if you're charging it properly or you inserted it correctly. That means it's charging. If not, you see it will stay green. Or yeah, that's how to charge it properly. Of course, turn this off first. Yeah. So again, this is a Retevis H777 walkie-talkie two-way radio. So no need for a license like the ham radio, and battery is 1000 milliampere lithium battery. And yeah, this is good for a long drive if you're doing a convoy or having a walk or hike in the mountain for communication. So the range is about 1.6 kilometer to 3 kilometers for the open space or open highway. So it's good enough for a long drive when someone is following or you have a convoy. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.